supercharged the sound every now and Look out, hey!
What a wonderful way to start the weekend off. Walk through our weekend.
Look out! I'm finna park it. Well, they done took all my little old parking spots. Damn. They done took all my damn parking spots. Yeah, they done took all my shit. Yes, ma'am. Okay, I see me a spot right here, guys. You can scratch it, whatever you want it. Boom, got me a spot. Okay, then the rest of this water. Look out!
We got the silly-ass kid in house. Take it on, man.
Damn.
Tom, and the Mustang.
Ooh-wee.
First good race of the night.
First good race of the night, y'all. See how I be coming right on time. Coming right on time. Irritated from the coaches. We don't have to.
Quick shout out to all the out of town racers, man. Always good to see these guys travel.
Hold on, y'all. Let me
to
get.
arguably the best facility in North Texas.
I'm finna get switched. Look out!
Look out.
Nothing more.
Got guys out of
situated.
H-Town in the house.
Now where did she get this playlist from? Hey, little kids listening. You know what I mean. To approach me.
Last man standing up here, y'all should be at 5 to 6.
Look out.
Last man standing should be at 5 to 6. You waiting on those change from gambling and we don't start racing. Let's go, Tom. Let's get suited up.
You wouldn't drive.
What's up with it?
What's up with it, man?
Nothing much.
You alright?
Yes, sir.
Who you gonna get beat on tonight, man?
I don't know. I ain't made a test pass since the new tune. I got a new tune. It's supposed to be faster. It's supposed to be faster. Oh yeah, with this? Oh yeah, that'll be a good one. I'm betting with this. Should be able to whoop him. That's a good race though. I'm glad they doing it.
Stitches on the tower, on the spectator side.
Here come the grudge race, y'all.
On the tower side. Roll 3.
I done missed the burnout. Let me get my other phone while I'm back here. Look out. Hold on, they racing. This a grudge race. This Tom Gunner right here. We gonna come back.
We got the Chevy S10 on the spectator side. We got the Foxfighter Mustang on the driver's side.
Look out, look out. Hey! Golly. He ran around him. Oh, he happy. He steady revving down there. That was a good run around. Hey, look out, look out. Y'all on my YouTube channel? My YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look out, miss. My YouTube channel. Tell your uncle, miss. Tell your
Hey, turn him off. Shut him off, Mike. Shut him off.
Hey, what's up, man? You
What's up with it?
You doing all
How
right
you
today?
doing, yes, sir? Yes,
Hey,
sir.
hey, give me your call, Kyle. So I can down you.
There you go.
You been doing all right?
There you go, 2 of them.
All right, thank you. You been doing all right?
Already.
Yes, sir.
We letting everybody know, y'all. Hey, miss, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm having a good day. You on my YouTube channel?
Let me look.
Yeah.
Hey,
Look,
Trisha, we're on YouTube.
yeah, miss, I don't put your shout out in one time.
Jeremy Horn.
Okay.
He's not racing tonight, but he's here spectating and betting.
All right, guys.
Okay, where you from, miss?
Roy
We're going to
City.
find out who won that race.
Roy City,
Oh,
Texas.
Roy City, okay. We got Roy City in the building. Oh, the lag
The
comes from
truck had the
Jaden wants to be on YouTube.
The
Let's go
Mustang.
ahead and put him on there.
my YouTube is Look Out Racing.
Look, Jay.
Yeah, we lag because I was on the Wi-Fi. So we off that Wi-Fi now, y'all. No more lag. Okay, we got them out of Roy City, Texas, y'all. Yeah, we live right here. Yeah, he just subscribed. Okay. We got Roy City, Texas in the building. What else, miss?
That's pretty much it, man.
How long you been here? You been here all night?
Since 6.
Since 6? Okay.
Yeah.